Let's see the top trends and technologies that will shape the year 2015 in medicine and healthcare. This is Bertalan Meskó, and you're watching the channel of the Medical Futurist. Every year, I come up with a list of trends and technologies that I think will shape the coming year in medicine and healthcare. I don't like to call these predictions, rather I call them extrapolations from today's trends. I try to choose those research directions which might make the biggest impact on our lives in the coming year. So let's see the list right now. Organ-on-a-chip technique might be available in the year 2015, which means that we might soon be able to create the first virtual model of the human body, making it possible to run drug tests on billions of patient models in seconds with supercomputers. In the coming year, digital tattoos as thin as 2 micrometers might become available, making it the ultimate sensor. So I don't have to use all these gadgets around myself to measure my health data, but with one very thin digital tattoo, I could measure whatever I would like to measure. Well, while the year of 2014 was the year of the wearable health trackers, 2015 will be the year of smart clothes, the t-shirts and trousers which will be able to measure health parameters at the most convenient way. The first medical tricoders might come to the market due to the X-Prize challenges, little devices that by scanning the body could come up with a few simple diagnostic options. IBM's supercomputer named Watson as a cognitive computer will be used in more and more medical practices worldwide, and more hospitals will buy that as an actual asset to the medical decision-making process in practice. A company called Theranos will revolutionize blood tests by making it available with just one droplet of blood at Walmarts around the US. Food scanning is coming at home with a company called Telspec. We will be able to finally know what ingredients our food contains. Augmented reality will move away from Google Glass more towards the first digital contact lenses that can measure blood glucose levels from tears as an added benefit. The first 3D printed biomaterials will become mainstream due to the company's efforts called Organovo, that next year the first liver tissues printed out in 3D will be used by pharmaceutical companies. Empowered patients will attend more and more medical conferences, they will speak at these conferences, and more e-patients will be included in editorial boards of peer-reviewed journals. Direct-to-consumer companies in genomics will deal with the challenges FDA come up with, and we will move towards very cheap whole genome sequencing, although the cost will not be zero by next year, but we will get closer to my prediction about the fact that the shipping cost of the sample will be higher than actually sequencing the genome. In areas with doctor shortages, telemedicine will be used at its best. Moreover, the first force feedback gloves will come to the market, making it possible to even feel the handshake from a distance, even from continents away, while discussing medical issues through telemedical applications. Prosthetics will become more sophisticated and much cheaper due to the 3D printing revolution. And I think that the first brain-computer interfaces will be used in practice, plus we will more and more be able to measure our brain activities and to learn how to be relaxed or how to be focused at home. Please share which trends you like the most and what other trends you have in mind about the year 2015. And please share these on the Facebook page of the Medical Futurist. Thank you.